If there is a topic that I'm really good at, it would be about finances. So I know you saw the title of this video today. Are you broke or ignorant? Because I can't tell either if people are broke or they're ignorant. But what I can tell you is I was both for a very long time. I was broke and ignorant, and I didn't want to hear the truth at all. So yeah, if you're ready to fix your financial issues, then I suggest you watch the whole video. Not 1 minute of it, not 2 seconds. Watch the whole thing. Watch the whole damn thing. Because we're tired of you making the same mistakes. Well, are they really mistakes anymore? Doing the same thing every single day and thinking you're going to expect a different result. So one of the reasons why so many people have failed in their financial journey is due to lack of discipline. The more you come to terms with that, the quicker it is that you will be on this journey to becoming stable financially. Achieving stability in your life in any form is not an easy process. Totally sympathize and understand where you're coming from. But what I'm not going to do in this video is trying to make excuses for you. Because I remember making those excuses for myself. For years and years and years, I was living on paycheck. I was borrowing money. I was lowering my standard. I was cancelling dates because I couldn't afford to pay for them. My personal life was affected so much to a point where I felt crippled. I couldn't even leave the house because I can't afford to pay on TFL. I can't even afford to buy a car. If there's anything I want you to grasp from this video, is this point. Please, look at me. Please don't go on holiday on credit cards. If you can't afford it, stay at home. Aww. Please don't do it. Don't, like, the thought of it is even pissing me off. The thought of knowing that people are going on holiday on money that they don't have is insane. Listen, I made some really bad financial choices, but one thing I never did is borrow any money to go on holiday. That's just crazy. And I'm not here to shame you. I'm here to tell you the truth. If that's something that you do, my guy, you are dumb. Like, you... Simple. It's simple. Like, you are literally crazy. Listen, I'm sorry for swearing and I'm sorry for calling you dumb and all that stuff. Actually, I am not sorry. How about that? I'm not sorry because you're watching this video because you want to learn something, right? And I'm not enabling your behavior. If you're going on holiday on credit card, you are dumb. I said what I said. You're dumb. You're dumb. And I can't help you. I can't help you. You need to learn the hard way. You need to learn the hard way. Klarna's not your friend. Credit cards are not your friends. Do you even know what the APR is on that card? Do you even know what an APR is? Let's start there. Do you even know what an APR is? Do you know how that's calculated? And you're going on £2,000 holiday, flexing for Instagram, flexing for, I don't know what you lot flex for. Because like I said, the people that you're trying to impress really don't care about you. They really don't care about you. They want to see you crash. They want to see you do dumb things so you can stay at the bottom. That's what they want to see you do. Some of you are friends with your enemies. Some of you are literally friends with your enemies. And this is why I stress the fact that you need to go and find your tribe. Go find your connection. The people that really care about you, go find them. Because these lot that are enabling you to come on holiday and using credit card money, they don't like you. They really don't like you. They know you're dumb. And they're facilitating that. They're facilitating your stupidness. Like, listen, let's move on from this topic. The credit card thing pisses me off so much. Let me ask you this question. Do you even know what your net worth is? Some people truly believe that net worth only applies to celebrities and people with money. I'm talking about you. Do you know what your net worth is? Do you even know how to calculate your net worth? So that's ignorance, right? If you don't know something, don't speak on it. And I feel like In society, so many people speak on things that they don't know nothing about. How can I tell my friend to start investing and he thought I was telling him to gamble? Why would I want you to gamble? I'm against gambling. I don't gamble. So I know investment is a form of gambling in some religions, which I totally respect. They say you can take the horse to the river, but you can't force the horse to drink. I don't know if that's the saying, but basically you get the gist. If I'm telling you that you need to invest for long-term success and you think that was gambling, listen, I've got nothing to talk to you about. And that's where our financial conversation ended. This is what I need you to start doing today. If I was in debt, right? If I was, let's say I'm in £5,000 debt, or I'm in £20,000 debt, this is what I'm going to start doing right now. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call all my creditors, and you need to make a deal. Hello, my name is Kai. I'm currently not working. However, I would like to make some contribution towards my debt so I can start clearing it. And this is what they're going to say to you. Right, Kai, thanks for letting us know. We're going to do an income and expenditure form with you, and then we're going to see what your disposable incomes are. And from there, we'll see how much money we can take to clear your debt. It's that simple. And if you don't do that, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get letters. And the next thing they're going to do, they're going to come in your beautiful home and take everything. And if you don't do that, this is what they're going to do. They're going to sell your account to another company that's going to buy it, and then they're going to put interest on top of it. And you're going to end up paying 3 times the amount that you should have paid. I'm not going to go into a lot of details. If you want to hear how to come out there, go find one of those videos that's going to go through the spreadsheets and break everything down. This is just mindset. I'm just trying to get you to see the things that you're doing that's hindering your financial success. If someone doesn't share the same financial values as you, they need to go. You've got no business hanging around with them. I'm talking friends, relationship, you name it. If we're not talking the same language financially, I don't need you around me. Like, why are we even chilling? Why are we here? Why are we talking? I'm going to end this video right now, and I hope I've given you some reality check today because you needed it. So please prioritize yourself, show yourself some love, and stop spending money that you don't have. Now, I'm going to take it back to the title of this video. Are you broke or ignorant? That's a question that I want you to answer. And hopefully, you're going to embark on this new journey of reaching your tribe, and they're going to help you to become financially stable.